there, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are here for the first time. I'm Sarah and my channel, Sarah Magic Makeup, is a place where you can hang out with me while I turn into funny, cute, beautiful,
creepy,
and weird characters, but also where I do beauty makeups and every now and then, like in today's video, makeup unboxing and reviews. Today I am teaming up with Vizio Makeup Academy, a Beverly Hills and also online-based makeup school, which sent me their incredible 7 palette kit and their fantastic brush set along with some little surprises, and I'm going to review all this. So here's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna travel back in time and I'm gonna take you to when the package was delivered and I got to unbox it. I gotta warn you, I was literally like a 6-year-old at Christmas. And then, after I have composed myself again, I will do some swatches to show you what these babies got. And finally, I will... You know what? You will see. Alright, let's go back in time now. Welcome to Vizio Makeup Academy. Hello, kitty. Aww. It's adorable. 24 brush collection. Oh my god. That is cool. I'm gonna use this all the time. This is like the basic tool for painters and makeup artists. This is so cool. Look at this. Awesome. Thank you. I did not know I was gonna receive this. And now, 7 palettes. I thought it was gonna be smaller. It's big. I open it. Yes. Look at this. Wow. Looks like giant DVDs. It's protected in this nice impact-proof thing. Case. Smells like a new car. This is so cool. Alright. Okay. No, I can do it myself. It's very good quality. It's beautiful. Look at this. Looks like books. This one is the Color Correction SFX Paint Palette. Ooh, wow. Can't wait to try them and see what the texture is like, the pigmentation and all that, the coverage. This one is the Foundation Concealer Palette. Look at this. I wish I was this color. It's beautiful. Spice. And more like... What am I like? Jesus, I'm in the cold set, like light section. I'm more like almond, and you're this.
Yeah.
Just kidding, you're probably this one. Porcelain. This one is Powder Highlight Contour Palette. Oops. Oh my god, I love the highlight. Beautiful, look at this. Wow, such beautiful colors. I can't wait to try them. Oh wow. So this one is the Eyeshadow Pressed Pigment Palette. Beautiful. Next one is the Eyeshadow Palette. I love it. Say boy. Isn't it? I know you want. This is blush palette. Oh wow. What? I've never had a blush palette with so many colors. It's filming. I know you want it. It's beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Beautiful. Beautiful. And last one. Ooh, lip palettes. Oh my god. This is so cool. Look at this. It's got all the colors in the world. It's awesome. Oh my god. And I love all the names. Really beautiful. Beautiful packaging. It feels extremely good quality. It's heavy, it's soft. I love them. And now I'm gonna open the 24 brush collection. So it says Antimicrobial, I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. Synthetic, bacteria resistant, ultra reflective handles, UV coating, laser engraved, hypoallergenic, case included. Wow, it's got all of those. Wow, looks nice. Oh my god, look at this. Super fancy. Wow. Oh my god. My new babies. See, I told you I was excited. Now, are you ready for some fun swatches? And I'm not talking about the, on the arm swatches, even though there's nothing wrong with that. They are super satisfying and they're a good way to show the pigmentation of a makeup. But you know me, Sarah Magic Makeup, I don't do simple. So today we're gonna get a little bit more creative and curious about the product's potential and especially about its resistance to water. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna use some stencils. I have had these stencils for I think 2 years and I had no idea what to do with them, and I finally found a use for my stencils, so I'm excited. I'm gonna apply the stencils and then work the product, and when I'm done I'm going to spray water on the finished applications and see how well the makeup resists to water when we run our finger over the makeup. I hope this works. What do you think, guys? Wasn't the part where I removed the stencils super satisfying? I could literally watch this process for hours. Maybe I should start a stencil removal channel? I don't know. Sounds like something people would watch, right? If I do, I will definitely use these palettes because as you saw, they are highly pigmented, extremely easy to apply and to use. And as you saw, it is very resistant to water, which is pretty cool. I haven't even dived into the potential of this makeup. I only used a few colors so far. There are so many colors. I haven't even counted. I should have. But if you want to know more about the products, more in depth, check out the video description. I will add a lot more info about all this. I am particularly in love with the foundation. I think this is my favorite foundation of all time. Finding the right foundation is hard. I mean, for me, it is hard. And this foundation, it's the real deal. It's got a perfect texture. It's got perfect coverage without being too much, you know, without feeling like clay or like you're wearing a mask. It gives you this super soft skin. It is powdery, matte, and they have so many different colors that it's really easy to find your own skin tone, or if you don't, you can mix it because it's a cream foundation. But yes, the foundation is amazing. I love also the blush and the contouring palettes. Beautiful colors. They did a really good job in choosing the colors. I think these palettes, all of them, not just the blush and the contouring, all the palettes have the most popular and trendy colors that you will need to create many, I want to say an infinite number of makeups. Yes, and now let's do some magic, because this is what this channel is about, right? Sarah Magic Makeup. We do magic here, and let's do a power of makeup transformation. I always wanted to do a power of makeup video. After I saw Nikkie Tutorials video, I knew I would do it eventually, but I just never wanted to do it so bad. But now that I have these, I do. If you want to watch the tutorial for the power of makeup that I'm about to show you, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the little bell also, so you know when that particular video will be up on my channel. Are you ready? Et voila! That was the power of makeup with Vizio Makeup Academy. I really love it. I like having a beautiful makeup on, but I also like my freshly out of bed skin because it's just me. It's just who I am without any makeup, anything that corrects my flaws, I guess, my imperfections. I'm happy that I finally did the power of makeup. It's a really fun way to show what you can do with makeup. And again, this is a big yes for Vizio Makeup. It's absolutely amazing. I love all the palettes, and if you were not sure whether you wanted to take their course and get their makeup, go ahead. I already started taking their course, and when I'm done and I get my certificate, I will also review the class for you. But the makeup is absolutely gorgeous, great quality. It's just professional. Whether you work in photography or movies or fashion shows, or you're just a beauty lover like me, you will not be disappointed. I guarantee you're gonna fall in love with them like I did. You can get 10% off by using this little discount code, and let me know in the comments what you thought of the power of makeup. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you know when this tutorial is up. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy Vizio if you join, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.